Do you know there are products that can fade your body hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and chickenpox spots, and they are affordable and they can work in a shorter period of time? Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Fabi. Before we start this video, I want to say a very big thank you to you all that have subscribed to my channel, that have made this channel to grow so far. Sometime last week I celebrated 1,000 subscribers. Like, I don't know what I would have done without you guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support that you have shown this girl. And I will keep on, bringing content that would make you to even subscribe even more if you are yet to subscribe. Okay, if today is the very first day you're seeing this face on your screen, you are welcome to the channel. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Here we do all things related to skincare, body care, feminine hygiene, girls tips here and there. And I bring you affordable products and tell you tips that you can use to actually get rid of whatever that is concerning you or whatever that is giving you a huge concern. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to get rid of body hyperpigmentation and dark spots and chickenpox spots. I know that when your body is not, even, and your body is not same skin tone as you wish, do you understand? You're having spots, discoloration here and there, you will not be proud, you will not actually feel very confident in your skin. And this particular thing is something that gives a lot of people huge concern, and I'm here to actually recommend products that can help you to get rid of all these things I just talked about and regain your confidence back. Okay, once you use these products, you're going to be seeing effective results, and with time your body is actually going to be evening out and the spots will be fading away, and before you know what is happening, you would have a same skin tone. So the very first product that I'll be talking about is Palmer Skin Success anti dark spot soap. This particular soap contains vitamin E and licorice, and we know that licorice is an ingredient that helps to target dark spots and get rid of them. And vitamin E in this particular soap would help to repair and protect your skin from any damage that you have had before. That is the hyperpigmentation, the dark spots, and the chickenpox spots. Okay, it would help to fade it out before you know what is happening. It's a bar soap, and the best way to use it is that you lather it so well and then apply it on your body. I would say focus on those areas that you know that you have hyperpigmentation or you have dark spots or spots. Okay, you focus more on those areas and then leave it onto your body for like 3 to 5 minutes before you rinse it off properly. You rinse off using a clean water, please. Rinse off using a clean water and you see good results in no time. So the second product that I'll be talking about will be the Advanced Korea Bright and Clear body wash. This particular body wash contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and what this vitamin does is that it actually helps to unclog your pores and then renew your skin. That is how will I put it, skin renewal, and it will help to fade away spots, because when a new skin evolves, you will notice that the darker pigmentation which is on the outside will fade away. The one that is coming forth will not be as dark as the one that was at the front. Do you understand? So it would keep renewing your skin until the dark spots will fade away. So just the best way to use it is that when you are done bathing, when you are done pre-cleansing in the shower, you go in with this particular body wash and then you use it to bathe properly. Like I said, focus on those areas that you know that you have this concern that you want to get rid of. Okay, you focus more on those kind of area and you will see that within like few weeks you'll be seeing effective results. This particular product does not only fade away dark spots, it also helps your body to glow. Like, it helps your body to glow. You know that kind of glow that you see and then you be like, this person is glowing. That kind of glow is the kind of glow I'm talking about. So the third product I'm talking about is still a body wash, and this particular one is Skin by Zaron body wash. The particular body wash contains AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, and what it does is that it helps to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cell, unclog your pores, open up your pores, so that whatever lotion that I'll be recommending in this video would work for you effectively. It also contains vitamin C, which means you're actually going to be glowing as well. It also contains lactic acid, and what lactic acid does is that it evens out your skin texture, making it soft and smooth. Just the same way I have talked about the bar soap and the body wash that I said previously, you just bathe have your bath with this particular body wash, rinse off thoroughly, and then go in with your body lotion. So the fourth product I'm talking about is still a body wash, and the name is Vit Gold Glycolic Body Wash. Just as the name says, what glycolic acid does is that it helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cell, and also get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and stuff like that. So also contains collagen, which helps in improving your skin elasticity and also help you not to break your skin barrier. And also, if you have noticed, I recommended a lot of washes and then one bar soap. Reason being that whatever one that you can afford, you can just get them. I will not advise that you purchase all of them. Just get any one that your money can afford. Remember what I've said in my previous video, that consistency is key when it comes to skincare or getting good skin results. What I mean by this is purchase whatever you know that your pocket can repurchase. That is one, and then use it and use it effectively. Do not just use it for a day or two and then expect it to work wonders for you already. It takes time. All these things takes time for it to like work or for you to see the improvement on your skin. So now that we're done talking about the bar soap and the body washes to use, the next thing I'm talking about is an exfoliating scrub. We all know that even if all these products contains ingredients that helps to exfoliate the skin, we still need to exfoliate our skin. Do you understand? So I always recommend that if you are purchasing a body lotion, that you should purchase a body scrub, because all these things, they go hand in hand. If you're having a clogged pores, or if your pores are clogged and you're having a dead skin cell, you notice that the products that you're using will not work. Like, it will not work. There's no two ways about it, because your pores are closed, your skin harbors dead skin cell, meaning that you are not even ready. Your skin is not even ready to accept any product. Do you understand? Your skin is not ready to accept any product. So for exfoliating scrub, I'm recommending Alpha Arbutin Dr. Mania scrub. This particular scrub helps to target dark spots, helps to target body hyperpigmentation. It helps to target any spots like chickenpox spots that have been on the body, because it contains alpha arbutin. This scrub will give your body that glow and radiance that you are looking for when used and used very well. What I mean is, when used and used very well is that you're not going to be over exfoliating your body. Okay, over exfoliation is bad, under exfoliation is still bad. Okay, so what I would recommend is for you to exfoliate your body 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week, twice a week. I actually exfoliate my body Tuesday night and Saturday night. I've said this thing like countless times on this channel, but if you are new here, that is how I do mine. You can choose Tuesday night and Saturday night, or you can choose Sunday nights and Wednesday nights or Thursday nights, whichever one that you know can work for you. The reason why you're giving gap, okay? The reason why you're giving gap, if you notice, if you exfoliate on Tuesday night, you're giving Wednesday, Thursday, Friday gap, is so that the dead skin cell would form again, and then on Saturday night you would remove them again. That's exfoliating your skin. You remove the dead skin cell, and then Sunday, Monday night or Mondays it will form again, and then Tuesday you would remove it. That way you are not over exfoliating your skin. Over exfoliation can make your skin to be red, and it can also lead to irritation and a lot of things that you don't want to experience. Okay, the other thing you just need is for you to exfoliate the normal days that you're supposed to exfoliate, and do not over exfoliate and do not under exfoliate. Just exfoliate and do the normal thing, so that your pores will be open to accept the lotions that you're going to be using for this particular treatment that we are talking about. So the next product I'm talking about is a body lotion, and for body lotion I'm recommending the Advanced Clinical Vitamin C lotion. This particular lotion contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to brighten the skin. It helps to brighten and glow the skin. It helps to fade away spots, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and stuff like that. This particular product also contains ferulic acid, which helps to boost the vitamin C, meaning that the ferulic acid would help the vitamin C to work and work effectively. And it also helps protect your skin from any environmental damage or any environmental factor that will cause harm onto your skin. You see why this particular product is good? Like, it will help you, and when you use it over time, like I said, over time, you're going to be seeing good results or great improvement on your skin. So how to use it is that when you are done having your bath in the shower, using the body washes that I have recommended, or the bar soap, whichever one that you purchased, okay, and you're out of the shower and your skin is still damp, meaning your skin is not dry and is not too wet, it's just in between. You're just going to be using the particular lotion. You rub it, you massage it into your hand, and then apply it on your body generously on your body, and then you focus more on the area that you have this particular concern. If it's on your leg, you focus more on your leg, and if it's on your body, like your hand, your back, you focus more on those areas. You apply it in circular motion until the product have sank into your skin, like your skin have absorbed all the lotion. Okay, that way the ingredient from the lotion will be entering or penetrating your skin. That is why you have to exfoliate, so that your pores will be open to accept the particular lotion anytime, any day, so that it will work and work effectively. So that's how to use this particular lotion and get good results from it. Also, you use this particular lotion daily. Use it. I will recommend that you use it more at night, okay, so that you will not have any business going under the sun and then causing more harm on your body. This is a daily treatment lotion, but I recommend that you use it only at night after your shower. You go in with this particular lotion. So we all know that on this channel, that once we are done moisturizing our skin using our body lotion, the next thing I will talk about to have to be a body oil. And for body oil, you are not exempted, okay? I'll be recommending a treatment body oil for you, and that treatment body oil is Vit Gold Turmeric Oil. You see, that particular oil is a goodness in a bottle, and that particular oil, this particular Vit Gold Turmeric body oil, would help your skin to glow and help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or any spots from maybe chickenpox or stuff like that. The particular oil contains turmeric, and turmeric is a brightening property. It is a brightening agent that helps to brighten the skin, fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation, like I have said earlier. Okay, the particular body oil contains vitamin E, which helps in nourishing and healing the skin. Okay, and how to use the particular body oil is when you are done moisturizing your skin, okay, using the product I recommended, the next thing you are going to be using to lock in every ingredient, make sure that it is sealed, like extremely sealed, is by going in with your Vit Gold Turmeric body oil. That way you are not going to be losing any moisture from your lotion or any ingredient from your lotion, and you're actually going to be getting double moisturized. All right, you know that you don't have to have a dry skin when you are treating your body. Your skin has to actually be well nourished, so that the dark spots will gradually fade away. And like I said in the body lotion, do not use this body oil in the morning. Do not use it in the morning, so that you will not end up harming your skin. Use it only at night. After moisturizing your skin with the body lotion, you go in with your body oil, and that will be it for this particular treatment. So that will be it for this video, and these 7 products I have recommended in this video would help you to get rid of body hyperpigmentation, get rid of dark spots, chickenpox spots, and with time you are going to be seeing effective result, and you gain your skin confidence back on track. So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. It helps me to know that you are enjoying the content that I am putting up on this channel. All right, do well to turn on your notification bell, so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Remember to like this video, share it to someone that you know that is struggling with body hyperpigmentation, dark spot, and chickenpox spot, and wants to get rid of them as quickly as possible. Okay, and then remember to drop a comment in the comment section if you are confused or you have any questions to ask regarding this particular video. I will be there to answer all your questions. Until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.